To understand why we code, it helps to understand a term used in the military, force multiplier. A force multiplier is a weapon or a system that makes one soldier seem like many. Code is a force multiplier. It lets you do the work of tens, hundreds, or even thousands of people, depending on the task. That is the power of code. So what's the point of having the power of code? It's to do cool stuff. Everything that's awesome about your smartphone is powered by code. Amazon, Instagram, Netflix, all powered by code. Every video game that you love and the special effects of all your favorite movies, created with code. Snapchat filters that give you the face of a dog or a rainbow tongue, created with code. And even if you're an athlete, code can help you. It powers your fitness tracker to help you analyze and improve your performance so that you can be the best you can be. So at the end of the day, it's not about coding for the sake of coding. It's about using code to help bring your vision, passion, and imagination into reality, helping you do the things that you love most. That's why we code.